everybody, today's video is a 1965 Scotty Sportsman, and this is Jason, and he's going to tell us all about his camper. So tell me, what was it like when you found it, and where did you find it?
I found it sitting under a tree. It used to be in deer camp, like typical, vintage campers. It was completely gutted. I had to completely tear it all the way down to the frame and bring it back. It's original sheet metal, original trim, original windows.
It looks good. LED lights.
Yep.
I like the little lights there. And this, so you must have air conditioning in there.
Put a window unit inside the cabinet.
Okay, and we'll see that in a minute. Alright, so we're going to walk around the other way and go inside. So inside, was it really bad inside?
Oh, it was terrible.
Well, it looks good.
It was used for storage for many years.
Looks good now.
But I basically went back. It's got the original overhead cabinet for the Scotty. That's the original closet door. And the original gas stove.
You know, this is the same floor plan that I had in mine. So, if you're watching this, my very first video on June 2nd, 2020 is a tour of the Scotty that I used to have, and it's the same floor plan. So, is that the original stove?
The original stove, and these are actually the original, I don't know what we're going to do, the original drawers with the robin bird paint.
Yeah, with the speckles. Well, it looks good in here. It all looks new because it is, right?
Yep.
Now, do you have a toilet in here, or just
a closet?
Just a closet for a porta potty. Yeah. They call that a. If it has a toilet, they call it a Scotty with a potty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, that looks good. So that just shows you can get something in really bad condition and turn it into something really nice. You did a nice job on it. Thank you, Jason.
Thank you.
Alright, everybody, give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And make sure you subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.